Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the little box I'm making today. Isn't it cute? Let me open it for you. And as you can see, it's a pizza style box and it opens up and you've got some lovely little biscuits in there. It's a really nice little treat for someone. Birthday treat, something small and just dinky to give them. So see if we can get this ribbon back on without destroying everything. I was quite pleased when I managed to tie it the first time, so don't want to have to tie it again. Yeah, there we go. Lovely. So let's get started. I have a piece here of Calypso Coral cardstock in the scoreboard, and this measures 10 inches by 6 inches. And on the long side we are going to score at 1 inch. We're going to score, yes, here at 1 inch. And then we're going to score at 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 9 inches. That's 1 inch, 4.5, 5.5, and 9 inches. Twist it round, and we're going to score at 1 inch, and then again at 5 inches. Okay, and that's all our scoring. So let's set the scoreboard aside and find our bone folder, which is currently trying to hide from me, and it must be here somewhere. There it is. Come here, bone folder. Here it is. Okay, well used bone folder. One of the most important crafting tools you could have as far as I'm concerned. Really useful. Use it for every project, be it card making, be it making boxes, gift boxes, even doing scrapbooking pages, to using any kind of pressure adhesive to help it stick, making mini books. I use it, really use it. Very cheap, very useful tool. Okay, so we've folded on all those score lines, as you can see. Now we need to separate our tabs, and as you can see, well, maybe you can't, you can now. We have these 6 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and the same on the side. So we're just going to cut, and if you can see, up to the score line like that, and then we're just going to mitre the edge just like that. So we're going to do that for all of our tabs now. So I'm going to get on and get that done. Okay, so as you can see, I cut all of our tabs, as you can see there, and mitered them like that, and then I put some tear and tape on all of the tabs as well. I'm just going to give them a press, and now we can start to build. No, we can't start to build yet. When we do build, it's going to look something like that. So I'm going to want to now put designer's erase paper on this piece and these 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's much easier to do it now than later, I promise you. So the designer's erase paper I've got here is Sweet as a Peach, and I'll put all the measurements on my blog rather than going through them all right now. So let's put this lovely piece down here. This is why I chose Calypso Coral, because it's the colour of these peaches and it would just match beautifully. Of course it does. So there we have those. And of course everything's going to face outwards, so top is here, down is over there, if you know what I mean. If you have things that need to be staying in orientation. Now some of these are longer than others because the sides, this side is longer than this side, so you just need to make sure you have things in the right way. Okay, and this is the other piece for here, and it's really yummy paper, isn't it? It makes you hungry. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I knew I was going to love it when I saw it on the catalogue, so when I bought it, I bought 2 packs. That means I can use plenty of it. I think it'll be nice as well to do some scrapbooking pages or a mini album with this paper as well. If you live on a farm and you grow peaches and stuff, then this paper would be perfect. Okay, so there is all our paper stuck down. Now we can start to build our box. So we're just going to take off this tear and tape, if it wants to come off, that is, off these tabs, and you're just going to bring this edge to meet that edge there. It's easier to show sometimes than to describe. Just like that. And I don't think I put enough glue here, because I can feel there's absolutely no glue on the end of my piece of paper, so that was a bit stupid of me. Okay, so we're going to do the same here, just to meet them like that. And then I'm going to do the top. For some reason I always do the top first and then the middle. Okay, so got rid of those pieces, and now you can just see your box folds together like that. So, set that aside. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping, and I just want to check that this piece of cardstock is going to fit. Just so. Let's bring everything in. I'm going to use a stamp set here that says Sweet as Peach. I'm going to use the one that says here Happy Birthday. I'm going to stamp in Calypso Coral ink. Down. Just like that. And back up again. Take that away, put that aside, and now I'm going to put that aside to dry and try and tie a bow. This will be hilarious. As you know, me and bows do not mix at all. Okay, so let's try and do this. Let's see. This is the Pale Pawpaw ribbon. It's one of the new in colours. It's really lovely ribbon. Really pretty. That says doesn't cut ribbon very well for some reason. My paper scissors, and even this one's struggling to cut the ribbon. It's a bit blunt. I do have downstairs on my craft desk actually a specific pair of scissors to cut ribbon, just like you would have a pair of scissors to cut fabric. Clear the decks of all that stuff, and then we're going to bring in this back, and we're just going to cut this out freehand, quick sticks. Okay, so if we put that down there like that, and like that, and then one more here. That will do. It will do me. If you want to be precise about it, of course you can. So now I am going to put some glue on the back, and obviously some on my grid paper, because why not. Bring in a scrap of Calypso Coral ink, and then I'm just going to mat it on here like this, and then I'm just going to cut this out freehand like that. Okay, bring back my box. We're going to put some dimensionals on the back of here. Wrong dimensionals. Those are the baby ones. We don't need baby ones. We need grown-up ones today. And then get these backings off. They always stick to me, the backings, for some reason. It's the static, I think. And then put that on there. And there you go. There are your two boxes. Happy birthday. So I really hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you'll give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. If you're not already subscribed to my videos, please do consider doing so. I would be eternally grateful. If you wanted more information about the project, the supply list, all the measurements to make the box, all of that good stuff, it will be on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes links to my Facebook group where we have a monthly online card club, craft club, and we make projects like this together via Facebook Live, so please do consider checking us out. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.